Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a 3000 Toys unboxing, so let's get into it. Okay, so now for the unboxing. Not do that. Okay, so first off we have let me just move some packing peanuts because that's annoying to have in there. Alright, so first we've got the 1/64 scale Caterpillar or Diecast Masters Caterpillar Cat 320F L excavator, which looks really nice. And then we have this, which I believe is a 301.7 or Cat 301.7 mini excavator. So I'll get these out of the box and show you what's going on with them. Alright, so here they are. This is the 301.7, really small excavator in 1/50th scale. And then we have the 320F in 1/64 scale. So yeah, that's going to do it for today's video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.